Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we will discuss one of the interesting topic in graph theory. Okay, so what is mean by degree of vertex, pendant vertex and isolated vertex in discrete mathematics? Okay, so let us see one by one. So first one is what is mean by degree of a vertex. So degree of vertex is nothing but number of edges connected to a particular vertex is called degree of vertex. So whenever you get a loop contributes twice of the degree. Okay, so let us see the mathematical definition. The number of edges incident on a vertex, okay, is called degree of vertex. Incident is nothing but the number of edges connected to a particular vertex is called degree of a vertex, and a loop contributes twice to the degree. Okay, and the degree of vertex v is denoted by degree of v. Okay, this is mathematical notations. Okay, so next one we discuss what is mean by pendant vertex and isolated vertex. So pendant vertex is nothing but any vertex having degree 1 is called pendant vertex. Okay, what is isolated vertex? Any vertex having degree is 0 is called isolated vertex. Okay. Let us consider one example. Consider the vertex set capital V equal to 4 vertices which are u, v, w, k, and the edge set we consider u comma v, u comma w. So we consider this is called edge 1, this is called edge 2. Okay, so using these two we are going to find what is degree of vertex, pendant vertex, isolated vertex in this example. Okay, so we consider 4 vertex, one is u, another one is v, third one is w, fourth one is k. Okay, so how many edges are there? So first we are going to draw one edge between u to v. Okay, so this edge name is called e1. Okay, similarly we are going to draw the edge between u to w. This edge name is called e2. Okay, so based on the given vertices and the edge we this graph. Okay, so using this graph I am going to find first the degree of vertex u. What is degree of vertex u? How many edges connected to a vertex u? 2 edges are there. Therefore degree of u equal to 2. What is v? 1 edge is connected, so we consider degree of v equal to 1. Similarly degree of w equal to 1. Why? Because only one edge is connected. So what about degree of k? This vertex does not having any edges, therefore degree of k equal to 0. Okay, next. So see what is isolated vertex definition. Any vertex having degree is 1, but in this graph the vertex v and w are degree is what? 1, right? So these two vertex are called pendant vertex. You see the vertex w and v are called pendant vertex. What is isolated vertex? Any vertex having degree is 0, then that vertex is called what? Isolated vertex. Here you see the vertex k. What is degree of k vertex? 0. Therefore, the k is called isolated vertex. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.